This right here is Kash. He's a 7-month-old Labradoodle. He was brought in for his 2-week board and train program. Now, we started just about 14 days ago, and he was generally a pretty good puppy. He definitely had his moments of rebellion. He did like to backtalk when told to do something, and he'd even get a little snippy. He'd like to put his mouth on or nip, definitely bark back, and let his, kind of let everybody know his 2 cents. Well, they have a bunch of grandparents, children, they have a big family, and they really want Kash to be a part of that and not have to be put away into another room. They want him to mind his manners when guests are over. When they're walking, they don't want to be dragged or any type of reactions towards dog, whether friendly or otherwise. And he's a very good boy. He loves other dogs, he loves people, so he always wants to say hi to whoever he can. Stay tuned, check out how he did after 14 days of training.